Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add or pin this PC icon in your home screen or in your desktop screen in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So we are going to bring up our this PC icon here in a basic and simple steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed to our settings. So how we can do so? So you can search it here at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Or you can simply do a right click here at the start icon. Okay, do a right click, make a right click. And by that, you can see there an option called settings. So tap on it. You can also press Windows and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up your settings. So the moment you've clicked on settings, you just have to wait until the settings window will appear in our screen. And once it's here, you just have to wait until the loading process would be done before we proceed. And once all are set, you need to proceed at the left side of it where you can see a list of options. Now here, you need to look for an option called personalization. So click on it, and once you have clicked on it, the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to bring up the personalization tab, where here you need to scroll down and look for an option called themes, so just being placed at the third of that next to colors. So click on it, and here at the themes, you need to look for related settings. So scroll down and there you go. You can see the related settings which contains desktop icon settings and contrast themes. And since we'll be adding our this PC icon into our home screen or desktop, you need to proceed with desktop icon settings to see all the desktop icon that is available or present in our Windows or computer. Now here you need to click this forward arrow, and the moment you've clicked on the forward arrow, you'll be able to bring up this small icon, which is desktop icon settings. The moment you have to bring this up, you need to close or minimize the settings window first so that we can focus on the small window called desktop icon settings. Now there you would be able to see desktop icons, which consist of computer, user files, network, recycle bin, and control panel. So here you can see there that the recycle bin is being marked checked. That's why you'll be seeing my recycle bin here in my home screen or desktop. Okay, that's being placed beside the Microsoft Edge. And since we want to add our this PC icon here at our home screen or desktop, we need to proceed with computer. Check this box. Okay. And the moment click on computer, you just have to click on apply, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the this PC icon here in your home screen. So to complete the procedure, all you need to do is you need to click on OK. Okay? So in this way, you just have to complete the procedure on adding this PC icon here in your Windows. So in this way, you can easily manage your PC, I mean your computer, by doing a right click here, by clicking on show more options. There you can easily access manage, where you can do manage the computer that you have. Okay? So click on managed, and here we go. You just have to wait until your computer management window would appear here in our screen. Okay, where we can see all of the options that we have, like task scheduler, event viewer, shared folders, performance, a device manager, which contains all the drivers that are present in our Windows or that we have installed or update. We can also check our disk management, and then by that you would be able to have an entire look about your disk, about the USB flash drive or the hard drive that you have plugged in. Or you can also access your services and applications, where under the services you can check all the service that we have, where you can enable them or you can set automatic or disabled a particular services. Okay, so you can now close the window, and congratulations on adding your this PC icon in your home screen or desktop. Okay, so if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.